Blue Star High Secondary School video classes for 10th standard mathematics. Happy morning students. Last class we are seeing topic 3.9 matrix, definition of matrix and types of matrix and all are we discussed. Now we are going to see the example problems in matrix. Example 3.56 which is in page number 142. Consider the following information regarding the number of men and women workers in three factories 1, 2 and 3. So there are three factories and number of men and women workers in three factors is given in the tabular column. So factory, first factory, second and third factory. In first factory 23 men and 18 women are working. In a second factory, 47 men and 36 women are working. In a third factory, 15 men and 16 women are working. So, represent the above information in the form of a matrix. What does the entry in the second row and first column represent? Solution. The information is represented in the form of a 3 cross 2 matrix as follows. We are writing just the number of men workers and number of women workers in a column. So A is equal to 23, 47, 15, 18, 36, 16. So entry in the second row and first column represent there are 47 men workers in a factory 2. That is, this is the position of A11, A12, A21, A22, A31, A32. So this is a second row, first column. So second row, first column represents 42. Example 3.57 which is in page number 143. If a matrix has 16 elements, what are the possible orders it can have? So solution, we know that a matrix of order m cross n has mn elements. Thus, to find all possible orders of a matrix with the 16 elements, we will find all ordered pairs of natural numbers whose product is 16. That is nothing but it has a matrix has 16 elements means you have to factorize how many possibilities are there. Such ordered pairs are 1 into 16 is 16 and 16 into 1 is also 16. 4 cross 4, 4 into 4 is 16. 8 cross 2, 8 into 2 is 16. 2 cross 8. So 2 cross 8 is also 16. So such ordered pairs are 1, 16, 16, 1, 4, 4, 8, 2, 2, 8. Hence the possible orders are 1 cross 16. That is number of rows will be 1 and number of columns is 16. Or number of rows is 16, number of columns is 1. Then 4 cross 4, 2 cross 8, 8 cross 2. Example 3.58 which is in page number 143. So construct a 3 cross 3 matrix whose elements are Aij is equal to I square j square. So solution, the general 3 cross 3 matrix is given by A is equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 where Aij is equal to I square j square. So A11 first position, first row, first column, A11 is equal to 1 square into 1 square which is equal to 1 cross 1 is equal to 1. Then A21 is equal to 2 square into 1 square. So second row, first column. So 2 square into 1 square is equal to 4 into 1 is equal to 4. And A31 is equal to 3 square into 1 square is equal to 9 into 1 is equal to 9. A12 is equal to 1 square into 2 square is equal to 1 into 4, 2. A22 is equal to 2 square into 2 square is equal to 4 into 4, 16. A32 is equal to 3 square into 2 square, 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 is equal to 36. And A13 is equal to 1 square into 3 square is equal to 1 into 9 is equal to 9. A23 is equal to 2 square into 3 square because I value is 2, J value is 3. So 2 square into 3 square is equal to 4 into 9 is equal to 36. A33 is equal to 3 square into 3 square is equal to 9 into 9 is equal to 81. So similarly we found A11, A21, A31, A12, A22, A32, A13, A23, A33 value. So now we formed the required matrix. Hence the required matrix is A is equal to 1, 4, 9, 4, 16, 36, 9, 36 and 81. Example 3.59, which is in page number 143, 144. Find the values of A, B, C, D from the equation A minus B, 2A plus C, 2A minus B, 3C plus D is equal to 1, 5, 0, 2. So solution, the given matrix are equal, thus all corresponding elements are equal. Now we are going to equate the position of the elements, that is A11 to A11, A12 to A12. So which is implies A minus B is equal to 1, which is your first equation. Then 2A plus C is equal to 5, which is your second equation. Then 2A minus B is equal to 0, which is your third equation. Then finally 3C plus D is equal to 2. 3C plus 2 is equal, 3C plus D is equal to 2, which is your fourth equation. Now we consider third equation. 2A minus B is equal to 0. So 2A is equal to B. This is your fifth equation. Put 2A is equal to B in equation 1. Equation 1 implies A minus B is equal to 1. So instead of B, we have to substitute 2A. A minus 2A is equal to 1. A minus 2A is minus A is equal to 1. Therefore, A is equal to minus 1. The next step is substitute A is equal to minus 1 in equation number 5. So equation 5, which is implies 2A is equal to B. So here A value is minus 1. So 2 into minus 1 is equal to B. B is equal to minus 2. Now we find the value of A and B. Substitute A is equal to minus 1 in equation 2. In equation 2 implies 2A plus C is equal to 5. If you substitute the A value here, you find the value of C. So 2 into minus 1 plus C is equal to 5. Minus 2 plus C is equal to 5. C is equal to 5 plus 2. C value is 7. Next, substitute C is equal to 7 in equation number 4. So equation 4 implies 3C plus D is equal to 2. So 3 into 7 plus D is equal to 2. 7 3s are 21. So D is equal to 2 minus 21. So D value is minus 19. So now we found the value of A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 7 and D is equal to minus 19. Therefore, the solution A is equal to minus 1, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to 7 and D is equal to minus 19.